Welcome to the heart of nature, where golden sunlight awakens the orchard.
Here, every single mango begins its journey, kissed by the morning dew.
Skilled hands like Mateo's ensure only the perfect fruits are chosen. Precision is key as we harvest nature's bounty with the utmost care. Basket by basket, we gather the finest treasures from this fertile land.
The journey begins here, carried by the dedication of our hard workers.
From the quiet fields, we travel towards innovation and modern processing power. Every crate is loaded securely, ready for the road to the factory. We arrive at the facility where tradition meets state-of-the-art technology today. Efficiency drives us as we carefully unload nature's gold for processing. The production line roars to life, welcoming thousands of fresh mangoes. This pristine environment is designed to handle every fruit with total precision. Purified water washes away the field dust, revealing the vibrant skin.
Air dryers polish the fruit, preparing it for the critical inspection stage.
A deep, thorough clean ensures that purity starts at the very beginning.
We filter out imperfections so you only taste the absolute finest mangoes.
Sarah's expert eyes catch what machines miss, guaranteeing only the best quality.
Kenji monitors the systems, keeping our production running at optimal speeds.
Precision blades gently reveal the succulent, golden flesh hidden underneath the skin. A river of gold flows through the heart of our processing plant.
Technology separates the stone, maximizing the delicious fruit for your enjoyment.
Uniform slices are created in an instant, ensuring consistency in every bite. It is a cascade of flavor, vibrant and ready for the next step. Two paths diverge here, creating two distinct and delicious mango experiences.
Perfectly cut cheeks slide forward, ready for their transformation into delicious treats.
We measure and inspect because consistency is the hallmark of our brand.
We begin the pickling process by blending a secret mix of spices.
Exotic spices explode in the water, creating a rich and aromatic brine. Kenji ensures the brine is perfectly mixed for maximum flavor absorption.
Fresh slices dive into the savory brine, absorbing rich, bold flavors.
Science meets culinary art as Sarah balances the acidity to perfection.
Marinated to perfection, these mangoes are now bursting with tangy goodness.
We sterilize every jar, ensuring a safe and pristine home for our pickles.
Automated fillers load each jar with the precise amount of tangy delight.
Look at those layers of flavor, packed tight and ready to enjoy.
Our signature label is applied, a badge of quality you can trust.
A final check confirms that this jar is ready for the world.
Thousands of slices are stacked, preparing for the gentle drying process. Into the warmth they go, where gentle heat will concentrate their sweetness.
Time and temperature work together to create the perfect chewy texture.
Meanwhile, we carefully arrange fresh slices for our premium dried mangoes.
Emerging from the heat, the mangoes are now transformed and intensely flavorful.
Freshness is locked in tight, sealing the bold taste for your table.
Perfect flexibility means we have achieved the ideal balance of moisture. Up close, you can see the natural sugars and fibers preserved perfectly.
A gentle tumble ensures the slices remain separate and ready for packaging. Our packaging line forms the bags that will keep this fruit fresh. We seal in the freshness, ensuring the last bite is as good as the first. Ready for the shelf, these bags are packed with sunshine and flavor. Precise portions are dropped, filling every bag with golden goodness.
Data drives our efficiency, tracking every batch from start to finish.
We stack and organize, preparing these treasures for their global journey.
Securely wrapped, our shipments are protected for transit across the world.
Logistics in motion, moving our finished product to the loading bay.
The final taste test confirms that we have met our high standards. The dried fruit is chewy and sweet, a perfect natural energy boost.
The pickle is tender, spicy, and rich with traditional savory notes.
As the sun sets, our trucks prepare to deliver freshness to you.
We load up, sending a piece of our orchard to your home. We maintain a spotless facility, ready to start fresh again tomorrow.
It takes a dedicated team to bring this quality to your table.
Production never really stops as we strive to meet global demand.
Look for our jars in your local store, waiting to be discovered.
You can read the label and know you are getting pure, natural ingredients.
Back in your kitchen, our mangoes inspire delicious culinary creations. Add a tangy kick to your meals with our traditional pickled mango.
Fuel your adventures with a healthy snack that travels wherever you go. Back at the orchard, we prepare the trees for the next harvest season.
Elevate your snack platters with the exotic color and taste of mango.
The cycle of life continues, starting with a single, delicate blossom.
It is pure sunshine in your hand, giving you energy for the path ahead.
From the raw potential of the field to the savory jar on your table.
From the sweet ripeness of the tree to the convenient snack you enjoy.
Nature works its magic, turning a flower into the fruit we love.
We waste nothing, turning peels into compost to feed the earth.
We return nutrients to the soil, ensuring a sustainable future for our farm.
Careful irrigation keeps our orchard thriving, even under the hot sun.
We are always innovating, dreaming up new ways to share mangoes with you.
Say, that's a happy Rolling Stone.
The future holds new products, like our refreshing, pure mango juice.
Research and analysis help us understand the very building blocks of flavor.
Rich, velvety pulp is the essence of the fruit, captured in a glass.
A diverse family of products, all born from the same passion for quality.
Maintenance is crucial. Sharp tools ensure the integrity of the fruit.
We calibrate constantly because precision ensures you get exactly what you pay for.
Our team is a family, bonded by a love for what we create.
Through rain or shine, we ensure our deliveries reach their destinations safely. Advanced distribution centers route our products with incredible speed and accuracy. Just look at that flavor, waiting to explode on your palate.
The final mile is completed with a smile, bringing our product to you.
As one shift ends, another begins, keeping the cycle of quality moving.
A touch of sweetness enhances the natural fruit, creating a perfect treat.
We watch the weather closely, protecting our crop from nature's unpredictability.
Rain nourishes the roots, but we must protect the delicate fruit.
When the sun returns, the orchard comes alive with renewed energy.
Clear communication keeps our team aligned on our goals for excellence.
Safety is our priority, and we train every member to work responsibly.
Our process is a carefully engineered flow, optimized for speed and quality.
We are committed to green energy, powering our plant with the sun. Cold storage keeps the raw fruit fresh until the moment it is processed. We source the finest spices globally to create our signature brine blends. Precision measuring of ingredients ensures that every batch tastes exactly the same. Massive silos hold our natural sweeteners, kept clean and ready for use. We blend our syrups to the perfect consistency for coating and preserving. We treat our water responsibly, returning it clean to the environment.
Every shipment is signed off, a personal guarantee from our team to you.
Another day ends, and another shipment begins its journey to the world. Behind every product are the faces of the people who make it happen. It all returns to the earth, where the promise of new life begins. Sealed and secured, the cargo is ready to cross borders and oceans. Royal Mango, the gold standard in fruit processing and flavor.
Thank you for joining us on the incredible journey of the mango.